Hello everyone, my name is Lorie and I will discuss about angle of elevation and angle of depression. So to start with, you need these following things for our lesson: ballpen, scientific calculator, notebook or any sheet of paper, and the last one, of course, is to prepare yourself. Objectives: know the concept of angle of elevation and angle of depression. Find the missing angles and sides of a triangle. Identify the correct trigonometric ratios. Identify the correct trigonometric ratios be used in solving the problems. At least for a short time, you will be able to know and you can actively participate in your class. Quick and easy. Okay, so here's our introduction and samples. Angle of elevation. The angle formed by the line of sight and the horizontal plane for an object above the horizontal. And I have the example here for you to understand it more. This boy was standing at a far distance from the tree. This line was the horizontal line of sight to the tree. And this line was the sight above the observer, or what we call angle of elevation. This line below was the angle of depression. So, let's move on to problems involving angle of elevation and angle of depression. Here's our problem. A tower is 15.24 meters high. At a certain distance away from the tower, an observer determines that the angle of elevation to the top of it is 41 degrees. How far is the observer from the base of the tower? So our given is 15.24 meters, 41 degrees, and we are looking for the distance of the observer from the base of the tower. The first step that we should do is to illustrate the figure. We have 15.24 meters height of the tower and an angle of elevation 41 degrees. And we come up with this illustration. So, what trigonometric ratio we should use to solve the problem? A sine, B tangent, C cosine. The answer is tangent. Remember that tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. And the opposite here is 15.24 meters, which is the tower, and the adjacent side is the missing part that we're looking for. Then tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Tangent 41 degrees, which we substitute it, is equal to 15.24 meters over x. Cross multiply the x. Then the equation is x times 41 degrees is equal to 15.24 meters. Divide both sides by tangent 41 degrees to have a value for x. And crash out. So 15.24 meters over tangent 41 degrees is equal to 17.5 meters. Back to our question. How far is the observer from the base of the tower? Therefore, I conclude that the distance of the observer from the base of the tower is 17.5 meters. But, wait, there's more. What if the angle of elevation is not given? Is the same process we should do? No. Let's try the second one. A 12-meter high post casts a 19-meter shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. So first thing first, illustrate the problem. So since the same trigonometric ratio, we should use because it have opposite side and adjacent side. So tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Tangent theta is equal to 12 over 19. Divide first these two and we got tangent theta is equal to 0.631578947368421. Okay, in this situation, you should write all the numbers because they're not yet identified the theta. How will you solve the problem? So, final solution? No. Transpose the tangent or inverse the tangent to -1, and you got tangent -1 times 0.63157894737. In your scientific calculator, press the shift and tan so you can get tangent -1. So, tangent -1 again times 0.63157894737 is equal to 32 degrees 16 minutes and 32.32 seconds. Remember that we're looking for the angle, so express your answer to degrees. Thank you for watching. Bye.